Alright, so we start up, we'll go into our workbench here. But on this side, this is the task we have to perform. So let's go into the workbench and we have to select a motherboard. So we go into the PC. Let's look at the list of motherboard. The motherboard you're going to choose is a level 51. This is the one that meets all the specification that is required. So I'm going to put it there. And then close this motherboard pin. So we are going to check the specifics of this motherboard. This is the specification. Let's put it here. That will guide us into what to do, where each cable will go to. So here it's going to show us all the pins that we're going to fix. So let's look at the pin here. So the first connector we have here is the power switch. Here we have the power switch here. This is where it's supposed to go into. It's supposed to go into 1, 2, 3. It's doing the third and the fourth leg. So that is where we're going to put in the power switch. So this is first set, first set. 1, 2 is the first set and second set. So 1, 2 is the first set. So this is the second set here. So we're going to take this into the second set and go to HDD. HDD. This is HDD. Next one is power LED. Power LED is 3 slots. Power LED 1, 2, 3. For this power LED, we need 2 space. So this is just 2 space. Power LED is going to go here. Hard drive LED. First 2 down here. Speaker cable. So go ahead and check. So what's remaining is the power supply. So keep working. So we don't need this for now. So let's go to the power supply, and the power should be connected here. And let's see. This is an 8 switch. This is 4 pin. This is 8 pin. Make use of the 8 pin, and then we check again. All is correct. So go ahead and score. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.